So now we are coming to the levers, the most common simple machines that are available at the house, not only house, used also. So we have finished with pulleys, we have finished with inclined plane, we have finished with the wheel and axle, and then this one also. Now we are coming to the lever. So in the levers there are three types of levers are there. So basically I just need to explain you, even with this example I can tell you nicely. See here, this is for picking something. If I have to pick up an object, see you can hear, I can pick up like this. So for this, that means the effort is here and the load, this is the load, so object is here. So this is the load and here is the central point, it is called fulcrum. So this is the first order lever where fulcrum is in the middle and the effort and the load are on the either side. So this is one example of lever. First order, many you will come across in the house, mostly of first order. See, this is seesaw also is an example of first order. And then you have got this cutting thing. This is also of first order. You can very well understand that fulcrum point is there, load is here, the effort is here, the required, this one is required. And then we have got again one more example of a cutter. So here also it is, and I just want to tell you the importance of spring also, children. Most of the places the spring also is a simple machine which makes our job easy. So even if you take one just your own regular writing pad, here also a spring will be there. Because of that the materials will get fixed very easily. And here this bottle is there, so very easy to, with the load on this side, with the effort on this side, I am able to open the bottle because there is a spring action. We need our work to be done here, and then whereas the effort is on this side, and that spring inside is helping it to move very easily. So these are all the springs also come under simple machines. And here is a nut cutter. So here it is comes under second order. Your effort is here, but your load is in the middle. Load comes in the middle, and then your effort and then your fulcrum also will be in the, fulcrum is in the edge and then load is in the middle. So this comes under second order. Similarly here all these things come under second order. See here your effort is in the middle. You are pressing it here and your object is here, your load, that is where you have to work. So this is the fulcrum. So that is how this comes under third order. So these are all come under third order. So you press in the middle, that is your effort, and your load is here, and this is the fulcrum. So all these things come under third order. So these are all again your swings in the school, wherever you play. Actually there will be one axle, and then here this being a toy, it doesn't have, but it has the mobility. But generally wherever that swing ropes are there, those ropes will be tied to the axle, and then there will be an axle, and then there will be the ball bearings for a very smooth movement. The wheels will be there. As the other time I have shown you, the ball bearings, huge ones, based on the weight that it has to take, it will be there, so that the movement is very easy for you to swing well. So these are all the varied types of simple machines which I could have the hand. Here another one, you know that this is for your binding wires or whatever, for cutting plier. So here also your load is here, and this is a fulcrum, and so here is your effort. So this comes under first order. So like that you should be able to very easily identify your nutcracker. Not the nutcracker, this one is our bottle opener. So bottle opener also, your load is here, but you will be pressing in the middle to remove it. So that depending on where your fulcrum is, where your load is, and where your effort is, the levers are divided into 3 groups. So if it is most of the objects, you will find that it is in the center. Fulcrum is in the center. I have given here 3-4 examples here. One scissors is there, seesaw is there, and then that picking one is there. Here these come under third order. And this is also another sort of simple tool only. You know very well that in the garden and all, if you have to lift the simply with the hands, you can't lift the soil and all, becomes difficult. Whereas with that, it is very easy. So because it will be in an inclined position, you will be able to lift the soil well. So like this, whatever is available in the house today, I have tried to cover your simple machines, that is your pulleys, wheels, inclined plane, axles, and then your levers, 3 types of levers. So this is simplest thing I could do it today, and I'm sure you have got some idea seeing the materials on the table. And thank you so much for listening to me. I hope you got some benefit out of this lesson, and if there are any further requirement, I will do the second this thing. Otherwise, with this today, this lesson is over. So stay safe and stay indoors, and then don't trouble your parents saying that we want to go out and all. Enjoy the holiday with meaningful learning and meaningful engagement. Tata, bye bye. See you all, my loving children.